Hi, in front of me is HONOR X6A, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Phone section. Then click on Device Name and type in wherever you wish to. In my case, Sunny. Now to change your name, click on OK at the bottom right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my HONOR has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!